I can guarantee you that the need to copy or join arrays will come frequently when you are programming. Let's visit how JavaScript let us fulfill this need. If I have two arrays and I want to join them together, I can use the built-in array method concat, short for concatenate. From the first array, I call concat and pass the other array. I can pass as many arrays as I want. It will join them in the given order. The concat does not take just arrays. So what it does is, if you pass an array, it will grab all the items of that array. Otherwise, it will just concatenate what you pass. So I comma separate my items here and it works just fine. Concat will return a new array with all the items combined. I can actually accomplish the same thing thanks to ES6 spread operator, just creating a new array and spreading all the arrays inside of it, and even add a few items as well. Why not? This is what I use instead of concat method most of the times. I can also use the same technique to copy an array. I just create an array and spread the other inside, and I get a new array. Before the ES6 spread operator, developers often use the slice method, which is a method to slice an array. And when no parameters are specified, it returns a new array with all the items in it. I can use slice to copy parts of the array by specifying the start and the end index which to copy from. And if I specify a single negative number, it will copy that many items starting from the end of the array. Note that both spread operator and slice techniques will do a shallow copy of the array. If the items in the array are primitive, this is fine. When you have object items, the reality is different. To illustrate this, I have this array of object with end property. Now if I copy this and then change the first item n to be 10, notice that both arrays get the change. And this is because the copy is shallow, meaning the array is different, but the items on the second array are references to the items in the first array. They are the same items pretty much. There are many solutions out there on the internet to solve this issue. You can even try to implement your own. For this particular case, I'll be using JSON string find and parse, which turns the array into a JSON string, then parses it back into an array, deep copying everything. If you watched the video on the series where I spoke about printing an array into a string, I mentioned this issue related to JSON string find, but for this particular case, I know it will work due to the nature of this particular array. So it solves our problem. So there you have it, simple ways to copy and combine arrays in JavaScript. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching, catch you on the next one.